Make a great choice today with the 2026 Ridgeline. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.